Here it is in Hebron. This is all right behind Haman's Dairy Bar.
I feel like I'm moving when I stand on it.
You can see it's flooded all the way over there. Won't focus. There we go. Good old flooded Hebron, Ohio.